I'm Steve, and this is CC Garage. What's up, YouTube? Well, we always knew this radiator wasn't going to work, and well, it didn't work. We split the whole top of it. So, this one is, look how tiny that is. It's so thin. That is out of a Hyundai. Here is the one out of the 71 that actually came with the 350. Substantially larger. So this one, I'm hoping is good. What we're gonna do, we're gonna pull the bad one out. I got some new hoses. We're gonna throw that one in. Hopefully it's good. So we're gonna go ahead and loosen up our, well, there's no point of doing this one. We'll do that one since this whole hose is coming off. Let's see. Okay, so it's right here. Lower your vehicle, it'll be fun, they said. There's still a little bit of antifreeze in there. Not much, but a little. So it goes on just like this. Let's take off this old nasty hose that's on here. Save our clamp. This thing is quite a bit heavier too, because it's copper. O'Reilly said it was a cut to fit, so if you look at it, this is quite a bit longer. So we'll probably end up chopping it about right here, I think. I don't know. Actually, I think we're just gonna tighten it where it's at. So, don't look too bad. Got our upper hose. I don't really like this. Gotta remember though, we actually slid this motor back, so. We might just grab that other hose off the truck. So this is the hose off the other truck. We're gonna go ahead and tighten this down. And I think what we're gonna do is tomorrow we'll end up taking take the other hose back. If this is gonna work, we'll take this hose in with us. Try to get something that'll fit. So now we just have this bottom clamp that's on the water pump, and the bottom clamp that goes onto the lower radiator hose. Well, so far so good. We got the radiator in, upper hose, lower hose. We don't have any cap on it, so it's not really holding pressure, but we're gonna have to cap off that. This right here, that is the line that goes to the heater box that is no longer there. But I don't have any actual working gauges inside the truck, but I have this little hog underneath that was on the pulling tractor, and that's right around 140, 150 right now. So we're gonna let it keep on running. It keeps on burping out bubbles. I just refill it back up. But I think we actually have a radiator. We just got to put a fan on it. Should be good to go. Hopefully make a couple more shows this year. But if you made it this far, thanks for watching. See you next time.